ako si John Arceo Pascua, ang Program Director ng Taratakbo, isang programa ng Hirayang Kabataan Incorporated na naglalayon na hikayatin ng kabataan na lumahok sa paparating na SK elections. Ginagawa po namin ito dahil naniniwala kami ang kabataan ang kinabukasan ng bayan at kinakailangan gabayan at samahan sila sa paglalakbay na yon at tulungan sila gawin ang trabaho para sa mga pangarap nila, para sa kanilang community. Nandito po kami sa Visayas for the first time since we've started running this program. Ito po ay naging posible dahil sa partnership namin kasama ng University of St. Lasal, Bacolod. Hinikayat po nila ang mga kabataan dito sa Bacolod at sa mga karatig bayan ng Bacolod para lumahok sa programa at tulungan sila sa campaign nila sa paparating na SK elections.
I have experienced something similar before, but it was just that it's not usually done at trainings that I've been to. I've been to numerous trainings, but this is one of the first trainings that I really gone to the grassroots as part of that training.
I think the most striking or my most favorite part of the program was when we delved deeper over the campaign strategies that we may take during the elections. In this part of the program, we were fed with substantial knowledge that I think would be very much beneficial for our campaign and our endeavors as SK leaders in the future.
Sa paglalakbay namin kasama ang mga kabataan dito sa Bacolod, nitong nakaraang 3 araw, nakita ko personally kung gaano ka-igting ang optimism nila, ang resilience nila para sa kanilang mga community. Nakita ko rin po na marami na silang mga pinagdaanan. Malayo nang narating nila, pero malayo pa ang pwede pa nilang marating dahil marami din ang potential, malaki pang potential nila. Nakita ko rin po na meron na silang mga pinanggalingang knowledge and skills na napulot nila sa experience nila in their own communities at generously binabahagi nila ito sa mga kasamahan nila dito sa programa. So, nakabuo sila ng support system amongst themselves at naniniwala ako na magpapatuloy yon kahit tapos na ang programa namin.
Started the training as leaders, and we will end it as equipped leaders. We embark on this new journey of ours. Never forget the things you learned here and the values that you have embodied. We will be elected by the people. Thus, we shall serve the people. Padayon, all of us here will win. Puhon.
Bako!